This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. This impeccably maintained home offers a desirable split floor plan and inviting living space with high ceilings. The curb appeal is stunning, while the kitchen boasts granite countertops, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous terracotta tile complements the new flooring in all bedrooms, updated in 2020, along with a new AC system installed in 2021. Step outside to enjoy your morning coffee on the charming covered patio, conveniently located off the kitchen. Meticulously cared for, this home is move-in ready. Lease includes washer, dryer, refrigerator and lawn maintenance. Schedule your appointment today. Ideally situated near Highway 6, I-10, and Bear Creek. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.